Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, it is all of your requests, so basic, so simple, so easy, so quick, a perfect weeknight dinner. We are making chayot, a sauteed chayot or touffe chouchou. So for that, I have four chayot over here, and then I have few dry red chilies. Finally, chop onions. This is just one small salt, baking soda, and then we also need oil. Now, to begin, I'm going to take you to my sink. I actually want to show you how I like to peel and cut my shallot. Guys, I have a bowl here with my squash, and I have with a shallot, and I also have water in it. So first thing I'm going to do is cut this into half. Right under the running water, I'm just gonna take my knife and scrape the shallot just like that. Right? Okay, that is good, and we're gonna do the same to all of them. And now I'm just gonna take my knife and remove the seed that is inside to all of them. And then I'm gonna start cutting the top, like the head and the toe, like the top and the bottom, and then we're gonna start peeling. And we have to make sure to remove these in between the chayot as well. I have already washed it again. I rinse it after peeling, and now you're just gonna cut it just like that. It's about that size, like half centimeter. I have about 3 tablespoons oil is heating here. To that I'm gonna add my onion. Until the onion gets translucent. Add the dry chilies. Add the shallot. Salt, baking soda, about 1/4 teaspoon. Now the baking soda, what it does, keeps the shallot green, stays green and cook faster. Now this is totally optional. If you don't mind having the brown color in your shallot and you don't like eating baking soda, this is very optional. You can just skip it. Just add your salt and leave the baking soda, but the baking soda will give it a very nice green color, and that you have to add right after you add your shallot to your pan. Now give this a good mix, and very importantly is to cover your shallot and let it cook on medium to low heat. I have just opened the lid, and then the shallot release water, and it's also softened. Now it's time to add green onion, my favorite. I love green onion. Green onion give a good taste in food, and also the green color, it looks like so beautiful. Now you're gonna add the green onion. Like I have mine frozen. Of course you can add fresh, and I did put the heat on medium to high, and now I'm gonna reduce it to medium to low, and then let this cook until all the water dry. Open. I'm not cover the lid now. And my chayot saute, my touffe chouchou, is ready in absolutely no time. You can see how quick was that, and this is how it looks like. Now if you want to add more baking soda, you can add more to keep it more green, but a little is fine, I think. And hope you enjoyed this video with me. So basic. If you want to see more basic recipe like this, let me know in the comment section below. Get the full written recipe down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.